How to add expense in Splitwise. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add expense in Splitwise. In order to do so, first of all, you'll need to open your Splitwise application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once logged in, here tap on the Groups tab at the bottom left corner of your screen, or you may also select the friend with whom you would like to share the expense. Once after tapping on this group, now select a group from here, and inside it here you'll be able to locate Add Expense button at the bottom right. Simply tap on it, and now here enter the description or the name for your expense. Once after entering the name, now enter the total amount at the bottom. You may also change the currency if you'd like to do so by simply tapping in the square at the left side of the amount. Now from here choose your currency. After that, select the person who paid for the expense, and if you'd like to split the amount, you can adjust how much each person owes by tapping on this option at the right side of the split. From here, you'll be able to select the person and adjust the amount. After that, come back to the previous page, and here, if you would like to add a date, attach a picture, or provided additional notes, you can simply select the option or the icons at the bottom right. And from there, you can fill in all the necessary details, and after that, tap on the tick mark at the top right corner of your screen to record this expense. Now after doing that, you can simply tap on this activity, and then there you'll be able to see the expense that you have added. So by following these steps, you can easily manage and add expense on Splitwise. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.